And from this reclining position, begin to imagine the shape of your body as it's in this posture, as if the skin of the body were just a hollow shell. And you could see through this hollow shell. The energy or prana of the body, I want you to just pick a substance that represents your vital energy. And it can be anything you want. It can be a tone, it can be like colored air or smoke, glitter, the inside of a snow globe, anything that you like that comes to mind, light, that you can see, something you can see or feel. And see this substance of your prana distributed really evenly throughout the whole hollow shell of your body. So not just in the torso, where we have so much of our life activity, organ function happening, but let that prana be distributed up into the head and brain, to the face, to your earlobes, down into the arms, hands, and fingers, down through your pelvis, into the legs, the knees, the lower legs, the ankles, the feet, the toes. Every single part is filled with this prana. And then start to use your breath, specifically the inhale of the breath, to imagine drawing this substance in. We're drawing it in from the outside. There's an infinite supply of this life force for us to take advantage of. And as we draw it in, imagine that the substance of your vital energy is getting more and more concentrated inside of your body. So you're seeing that stuff. There's more of the stuff on every breath in. Taking just a few more of these breaths, increasing the concentration of energy inside of your body. And the prana that we have is not only what keeps us alive, it also is what helps us to heal. So it's the healing power that we have. The more prana that we have available to us, the easier and more quickly we heal. So if there are places on the body that are in need of healing, whether it's a painful place, it's a place of cancer, it's a place of other injury or illness, begin to imagine that as you're inhaling, this stuff of your prana starts to concentrate in that place. So you inhale from the nostrils right into that part of the body. Create a connection from the nostrils to that place that's in need. And there may be one place or there may be a lot of places. So if there's too many to hold in your mind at once, start with one, take a few breaths into that one, and then go to the next one and do the same. As we breathe into these areas of pain, illness, or injury, we are increasing those cells that make up that part of the body, their ability to absorb oxygen. And they've actually, there have been studies done with yogis who do a lot of meditation, where they put an oxygen meter on, let's say, their index finger, and have them mentally try to breathe into their index finger, and it can increase the level of oxygen in the cells. So we all have that power to, it's called prana vidya, which means the knowledge of the breath. Prana is sometimes also called breath. So it's the knowledge of that vital force, that we have the ability to direct it inside. And then we're going to change our focus to more exhale-centric now. And I'd like for you to come up with one more image of what the pain, injury, or illness looks like. It can be a different color. It might be a different texture. It might be totally a different thing altogether. But see, as you're exhaling, that pain substance leaving the body from these locations. So we've filled them with prana, and now we're exhaling the pain out. And taking a few breaths per area. Using the power of exchange that lies within each inhale and exhale, to rid the body of what's no longer needed and to draw what is needed into the body. And begin to feel and trust that this transformation has taken place.